Looking for a powerful solution to convert Google Chat to PST file? If yes, then download BitRecover Chat Converter, designed with special feature. To know for the software, please watch the video. Read all the guidelines carefully and click on the next button. Here, you can directly upload the files in folder. Click on the Select Folder button and select the folder from the saved location. Click on the Next button. Here you see the folder hierarchy. Now you can select the file for the conversion. After that, click on the Next button. Then select the saving option. Select the conversion format. Choose the folder icon for. Select the destination path for the converted files. Name the file. And click on the Save button. Then click on the Convert button. When data is completely converted, click on the OK tab. Trial version only convert 25 chat. Here you see the converted file. Open the Outlook. Click on the File button and Open and Export. Then Import Export, then follow the same step. As shown,